Find anything else interesting?
Wow.
Let's see here. Here we go. This is a vintage here. First year Southwest Airlines. Oh, nice. Single stitch. Earn when you fly. Earn when you buy. Here's a good find here. These Spirit jerseys, these Disney Spirit jerseys do really good. $8.99. Could probably get about $30 for this one. See, whenever it says Spirit jersey, I always want to look for that. So for this part, I'm going to do a voiceover due to the music being so loud. I'll get a copyright strike on YouTube. But here we find a polo long sleeve, size XL. It's a ski, polo ski, 92. So we're gonna look up comps to see what it's worth. I wasn't sure what to type in on eBay, so I pulled out Google Lens and took a photo of it to get the keywords. It gave me the title 92 polo ski long sleeve. So we'll look that up on eBay and see what comes up. If it would have been the sweater goes for about $200. So too bad it wasn't the sweater. But we finally find comps and range from about $25 to $30 for the long sleeve. So I'll go ahead and grab that. And they're only asking $6.99. Like this turtle one, it's pretty cool. Oh, for $9. I don't know. Man, that's a maybe. $9 is a little steep for that. Alien Ant Farm Never Say Die. It's like a Y2K. $5. Probably get like 25 for it. It's the camera, red camera. Red digital cinema. Made in the USA for the balloon, single stitch, 1987, 1987. This shirt's crazy. They usually have good luck in the tank top section too. A lot of people don't really look here. Let's see what we can find. Oh, I already see a tag. Oh, let's see a couple. So, Peeler Millar wicking. It says wicking. It does have a little hit there, but since it's a sub model, we'll check that out. I see something right here too. I don't know what that is, who that is, I should say. It's vintage zone. Winner circle, made in USA. Oh, it's got a back hit. Here we have an old Arizona Cardinals logo on the old Gildan tag. On the back it says, "Long live Sundays." So just a vintage NFL Sunday shirt. Go ahead and grab that, $5. We have this Disney Alice in Wonderland AOP for $6.99. I'm seeing comps for around, there's one for $35, another one for $30. So we'll go and grab this one. Next up we got this Herman Geis 100% wool cardigan. Again, comps are looking pretty good. We got one I sold for $32, another one for $30. These are different ones here. So they want me for $83, but I got 3 big bags of clothes, and 2 of the items should be able to make my money back. There's a couple $40 items in there, so I'll sell a couple of those items, and the rest will be purely profit. So let's go on to the next store and see what we can find there. She was a bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Needless to say, I'm keeping her check. She was a bad, nevertheless. Genuine leather. Probably a $100 jacket right there. Check comps on that later. Nice find though. Keep going. Man, this interesting Nike windbreaker jacket. I'll have to look up comps for this one. So here's a vintage Resale athletic quarter zip. It's got like a cool pattern to it, so I only want $4.99. I have a 20% off coupon, so I feel like $4. Probably get 25 for it, I think. But we'll check costs before we leave, just to double check. Here's a brand new. No way. It's like a $200 backpack. And we got 2 of them. So these are new tags, Bobblebee backpacks. And the comps I'm seeing are 100, pre-owned 160. Almost 300 for 2 of them. They're about $200. $289 pre-owned that one. Let's see the listings. 27 listed, 23 sold, so great sell-through rate. Wow. We scored with those. We got 2 of them with Donald Duck on them. So, found it. Right here. Put it right. Toe tags made in Mexico. In this moment. $6.99. So here we have a vintage single stitch made in USA Phoenix Suns shirt by Jostens. It's a cool 90s shirt. Could probably get about 15 to 20 bucks for it. So I found this Omori cat. Is it like video game or anime shirt? I've seen comps of like 60, 50. This one for 90 has the same tag. So we'll go ahead and pick that up for $6. Probably $5 after the coupon that I had. So I ended up paying 72 bucks here at this Goodwill. We loaded up the cart. Those backpacks alone, I'm probably gonna list them for about 400 for the both of them. So I mean, we spent 80 something at the first stop, 72 at the second. One of those backpacks alone, I could sell for 200 to 300, and then we still got, the jacket that sells for another 60, and all of these clothes. So that's all pure profit. Nice little haul. See if we stop at one more for the day. Next stop, another G-Dub. See what we cook up today at this one.
By setting a reminder on your phone to donate to Goodwill 4 times a year, you can ensure your closet never gets too cluttered.
This ICP shirt.
Every donation you make will help Goodwill deliver no-cost career services to people in need.
So I found a pair of these Lacrosse made in USA Iceman boots. They're asking $15, 100 listed, 155 sold, and we got about 35 to 50 on the comps. 55, 47, 50, 48. So yeah, we'll go ahead and grab those. So we just found these. It's like they're like the modern mini Super Nintendo and NES. They're asking $7.99 each. They go for about 50, 60 bucks each. So we'll go ahead and grab these. This ICP shirt turned out to be nothing. It's a cool shirt, but we're gonna go on and pass on this one. So that last place I spent $27. I got the pair of boots and the 2 video game systems. I'll be able to sell each of these for about $40 to $50 each, and then about $40 to $50 for the pair of boots. So looking at about $150 there off of $27 spent. So not bad. Plus the other things that we got from the other stops. I'm probably gonna call it a day for today. I have a lot of listings to do. So yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. See you soon.
She was a bad, never the